Alright guys, this is my first bass on the frog this trip. Here at another lake in upstate New York. This one's on the Spro frog, Bronzeye frog here. Nice bass he hit over there. That's the second hit I've had today. Probably a 1.5-pounder. Get the release. Oh. Alright guys, this is my first bass of this trip in the canoe tonight on a jig. Black and blue and purple jig with the Berkely Havoc black and blue trailer. This is about a 2-pounder. He hit the jig real nice. Alright, got the hook out. Let's get the weight on him. Alright, 2.71. We'll go with that. 2.71. I won't get a picture of him. Attitude. Just let me freaking... They like the jig today.
Yeah.
He's a good one. What do you mean? Look how good they fight. Look at the colors on him. They like the jig today. First 2 jig bass I've caught since the 3 that I caught last year. So there's another one. I'm not gonna weigh him. Yeah, I knew you were gonna flip out. He's got good colors. Number 2, 1.75 pounds, almost 2 pounds. He's really fat. On that black and blue jig. Uh-oh. Looked like my line was moving. He took my claws off. Caught the pike in this lily pad patch. One of them. Oh. Dink. I know, he's a dink.
Ew.
It's a smallmouth, I think.
No, it's not. Let me see.
Or it's hard. It has, yeah, it's a largemouth. It has no lateral line. It's just hard. Jesus, that was on the jig, guys. Little one. Little largemouth.
Yeah, there's no way.
No, because there was no stripe, so What if he has one and you both tie?
Oh, you lucky bitch.
Missed him. I missed him.
Let me get him.
No, let me throw my worm in there. Let me throw my worm in there. Or let me throw my spook. I'm throwing my spook. I'm gonna see if he...
Feed him. He's not gonna go for it again. If he does, he's fucking stupid.
Alright, go ahead. Move your line.
Oh, you did! You took it!
I think it's a smallmouth. I don't know what it is. Oh, it came off.
Oh.
That's the first one I've lost after hooking.
Oh, you did.
I knew it, right by that rock. Don't come off, please.
What's up?
Knew it, right by that rock. These look pretty good.
Oh, it's not even on. Shit. They're probably mad as fuck.
What?
What's
Ah,
that?
number 4, guys. Ask them if they caught any.
Catch anything?
Tell Dad I got 4 now, and I'm hooking one right now. This one's hooked really good. Second one I've hooked today like that. Alright guys, 4th bass of the day on the Zara Spook. Fishing the evening bite now. I lost another one about that size 10 minutes ago. Pike.